Good evening. Welcome back to Samson Tribe channel. And today, apparently, because I didn't know from anything, is another unboxing event. I'm not allowed to know what it is, but it's 2 days before my birthday, so I do have the impression that it's gonna be something for my birthday. So okay,
Yeah.
Rachel, let's get on with it.
Okay.
Let's get on with
You
it.
want to see the surprise?
Yeah.
Continue watching after the break.
See you after the break.
Alright, welcome
Alright.
back guys. Are you excited what it is? The unboxing for
I
Bjorn?
am, because to be honest, we have joint account and I'm not sure, I haven't really followed it up very well because I really don't want to know what she's buying, but I could have done, but okay, it's gonna be a surprise for me.
Yeah, because Bjorn is so difficult to surprise.
Yes.
But I like surprising him always. Like last time I surprised you with Gillian chocolate and
Whiskey.
yeah.
And in the whiskey there was like a little note for a...
Baby pregnancy
For a mini
Perry. Mini Perry.
Okay,
Alright.
come on, let's get on. I don't like to be
Close
waiting.
your eyes. Do you have a clue what is this?
Yeah, it's
Because you're very good this year. It's
Come on,
Sinterklaas for you.
it's a Sinterklaas, but it's for my birthday, no?
Yeah, it's for your birthday present.
Okay, let's check it out. Let's dig in.
Advance happy birthday or
So-
an early birthday present. Yeah.
I found a small gift, which is nicely wrapped, by the way. But I see there's something else inside. Nicely wrapped again, same paper, Christmas decor.
And do you have a what do you think is this? You hold it and maybe chuk chuk chuk. Guess what it is? Don't open it yet, ah.
It's something inside the box.
Yeah. Do you have any idea what is that?
I have no clue.
Okay, which
It
one?
feels a bit harder on one side than the other side.
Which one would you like to open first?
I would like to open the big
The
one
big
first.
box.
Yeah.
Alright, open it now.
Go big or go home.
But first, kiss muna. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! She doesn't like it.
Ah, you want to kiss Papa? I don't have no beard anymore, huh? Okay, let's check it out. Let's dig in.
One excited Papa.
I think I kind of know that box. To be honest, if you look at it this way, it's not giving away a lot. But I think, to be honest, this feels like something
What?
apple. It looks like something apple. Okay, let's check. Oh, oh, wow! It's another one to go with the collection, I guess. Because I already have one. As you can see in here, my trusty Apple Watch 3, and you can see it's 8 December and my birthday is on December 10th. You cannot see because it's in code. Sorry.
One happy Papa.
Okay, then this one's gonna be yours then, I guess. And I see you chose a nice color because I have a new MacBook Air in gold and a 44mm. That's good.
Yeah.
It's not the small one. It's like this one, it's slightly bigger.
I know you like the color gold.
Yeah, maybe not the color of the band, but I hope you chose for a small band because that might be your band. It's color pink. Gross. Okay, let's dig in. I wish this year we actually would have been sponsored by Apple because I think we are making up a lot of
Unboxing.
Apple stuff, and Apple sponsor us.
No, but this video is not sponsored.
No, we're not sponsored at all, so sponsor us next time.
It's only on our pocket. We buy it. So Apple,
I don't know how we
Bacanaman.
open this. Like, is it this way?
Apple, Bacanaman.
I don't know how to open this. I don't want to break it either.
It's a new box.
Wait.
It's different from the other one, right? It's like a flippable.
In a few years, you're gonna have to read some manuals to open the box.
Because Bjorn is saying
Ooh.
the other day that.
Oh, that looks.
What is my birthday gift? What is my birthday gift?
Let's put this aside because this is only the packaging. And look, there's one package in here.
Did you show them the colors of the panther? This one is nice. Show them. Look, there's a.
Oh yeah, but that's all the kind of bands
that you can buy.
Yeah. And as you can see, it's a gold edition. So let's check it out.
Yippee!
Nicely wrapped again. So this is the watch itself, the 44 millimeter. And in here you can find the charging cord usually. It's nicely wrapped. It's nicer than
your previous
Series 3. Yeah. Oh, the charger is way nicer. This is how you, look.
Really?
Or maybe, no, it's the same actually, but it's in cardboard. Oh, they fooled me at Apple. It looked like
It
something
looks
like,
a remote.
no, it looked like something like a
That
plastic
you
thing that you
put-
put it on, but it's exactly the same actually. So, okay, let's see.
And that's the watch.
Let's try to open it nicely. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Wow.
I like the gold. It will go well with my new MacBook Air.
Is that bigger than the...
It's slightly bigger, yes. You can
Show
see.
them the difference there.
Yeah, wait. As you can see, it is slightly bigger. This was the Series 3 with 42 millimeters, and this is the Series SE. Is that an SE or a 6? It's an SE. It's an SE and 44
Parents want to say something. What?
millimeters.
SE? SE?
SE maybe? And in here the bands, and I do really hope that you chose
I choose...
a small one, because then I could give that one to you and I just take my old bands.
I choose for a small one because Bjorn didn't like the plastic band, so I choose the one for me. So we can do exchange gift.
So how is this opening again? There we go. Nicely wrapped by Apple again. And
So actually,
actually you do get two.
Yeah.
So you have a
The
smaller and a
band.
big one. You have this one is the medium to large, and this is the small to medium. So you can use that for your watch. Cool.
So actually, I bought my band, and I also bought
You buy a band for you and you buy me this.
and we do exchange.
Well, I'm actually okay with that, to be honest.
Because Bjorn already had a band.
Yeah, I already have few bands, but I
But
really like this one with the
I
magnetic.
really prefer this as a gift for Bjorn because Bjorn keeps buying me a expensive MacBook Air and one silicone for also this Christmas. So
Okay, let's try put
he
this
deserves
together.
also an Apple Watch Gold.
This band should be interchangeable. Oh
Is
yeah,
that
it's
fitting?
clicking. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, it's nice with the gold and the black too. And then,
and looks
oh yeah,
saucy and expensive.
nice. Okay, let's try yours. This is the small
Yeah,
band.
that's the one. Paris is making tantrums now. No, Paris, no. Oh, this one will do.
And it should
for
be.
Paris.
I can get the tissue if you give me a
Because
second.
her nose. Excuse me,
She
viewer.
is a bit cold, huh?
Yeah, because it's
It's her
cold.
first winter.
Her nose is sleeping. Oh yeah, no more now. Oh, come on.
Okay, nice. So let's see if this
Wow,
fits for
I have
you.
an Apple Watch too. Oh, I think on the left.
Yeah, but then we're gonna need to reset it because it's set up for lefty. I'm a lefty. This is your. It's left too. Okay, now.
I want left. Yeah, I want left.
Just haven't used these plastic bands in a while. It's not
Wow, it's my
the
first
right
Apple Watch.
way to do it.
And it's a girl bag, pink. Yeah.
Is this still too big? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's way too big. You're in the smallest size.
Is it?
Is it
I
too
think
strong? Too?
Too tight.
Like that?
I think that's okay.
That's okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, so...
It's something like that. But this Apple Watch, if I...
Wait, let me just...
Yeah, very sure. But this Apple Watch, Bjorn, if I...
We do have to reset it later.
If I take a bath...
Yeah, you can keep it on for showering.
It's not gonna... it's waterproof.
Take her. Alright, here it is, it's starting up. But I do gonna need my phone to set it up, and I need to decouple it and from the tree one, and then
Wait, Mama gonna show
make it connecting to your phone. It's okay.
Yeah.
So this was gift number 1. Thank you, sweetie.
You're
So now I need to check my account, because there's probably what is costing like 320 euros. Thank you, Perfume.
This was very good gift for Papa.
Okay, but we do have a second one, huh?
Yeah. Another surprise.
I want to see what that second gift is too. Was this fitting in here? No, that was a separate one. Maybe we just keep it in
What
here.
is this?
It's for if you want big. This there's
Okay.
a small one and a big one.
Okay. This is
So-
spare.
Yeah, it's a spare one, but you only need the small one. So let's keep this inside. Yeah, it's like this. This one and this box. Because since I have my wife in here, I need to keep all the boxes.
Yeah. I like keeping boxes. So if later if I wanted to sell this, right? No, just joking.
Yeah, what we could do in a few years.
Yeah.
It's still gonna be valuable. Okay, so this was the Apple Watch part.
Unbox, reveal. Dun, 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 dun.
How is this working again? Like this. Hop,
Dun, dun, dun,
Like
dun,
this.
dun, dun, dun.
and then something.
Dun, 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 dun. Yay, Mama have a watch now. Finally, I have a watch. Thank
She
you,
already
Papa.
had a Fitbit for me, but she lost it
Yeah, I
somewhere
lost it in the
during a photo
forest.
shoot.
When I'm making photo shoot from Dongmir.
Yeah.
From the Dongmir last.
Okay, nice. Peel off, backing, press firmly to package. I'm not sure if this applies for this one. Okay, let's check it out. Because I have no clue what it is. It feels more plasticky in here than in here, and it feels higher in here than in here. So, okay, without further ado, let's just open
Yeah,
it up.
but guess what it is.
Maar, sweetie,
I do know. Just guess anything.
it's not a bottle of whiskey, that I know. You see, it's 2 boxes.
Remove the tape, yeah.
Felicia, you have to wait until April
Christmas.
2nd for your birthday present. Now it's
Yeah.
Papa's.
Now it's Papa. Ta-da!
I see Paris name. Good that this was not a cactus. And it says Hermes.
Because Bjorn is like perfume.
Of course I like perfume, I like to smell well.
Yeah, but he doesn't have a lot, so I was thinking, last year I bought him a shirt. Now it's kind of different.
And one is
sample
another
and-
brand that I like, and I haven't seen that yet. It's my favorite crocodile,
Yeah,
Lacoste,
you never had that yet.
and this is
Like
from
perfume.
Hermes.
Yeah. So
nice.
open it. Show it to them.
Looks nice. I do have a lot of perfumes. I just buy big bottles.
Yeah, but that one is like a sample. It's not really a
Nice.
sample, but it's just you can take it to wherever you go. It's lightly,
That's good for traveling.
yeah, lightly for you can take it to work.
So this is the Lacoste one, and this is the Hermes one. Okay.
Try it. Smell it. Which one if your favorite?
It's nice and sweet. I like some sweet stuff.
And that one too.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
fresh. Yeah, I really like
Because
it.
I can smell it. Of course, when I ordered it, I didn't smell it. You like the gift, Papa?
Yeah, I like it. Thank you. Oops.
Yay! One happy Papa Bjorn! Success! The surprise! Ah, success!
And what kind of surprise you have for me, huh? I buy a lot of stuff for you, huh? When you go work.
Yeah, we're still waiting for another surprise because Papa Bjorn ordered online again and it's for Paris. It's still on the way.
Yeah, but that's gonna be for the next video.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm anxious to set up my new Apple Watch.
Yeah,
Cool.
excited.
And I'm gonna set up hers as well because it's still set up on my phone.
Yeah, alright.
Okay, thank you
Thank
very
you guys
much
for
for watching, and we'll see you soon at the next episode.
Oh, Paris is angry.
Oh,
but she's
Parisha.
tired that she wants to sleep.
Okay, bye bye now.
Thanks
Thank you.
everyone.